Let's go to another question related to factorization, is that we have a bracket that we need to simplify and expand first. Here for the 5y squared, we keep it as it is. And then the negative 4x multiplied by 7y is negative 28xy. The negative 4x multiplied by 3x is negative 12x. There is no GCF or HCF. We multiply the 5 by the 12, it's 60. So two numbers, because the last sign is negative, two numbers, their difference is 28. Yes, it's the 30 and the 2. So it's 5y squared minus the 30xy plus 2xy minus 12x. Here we got the two brackets in here and the two brackets in there. We take the common factor here, which is 5y. What's left is y minus 6x. And what's common in here is the 2x. So what's left is y minus 6x. We have a common bracket. It's the y minus 6x. After that, the singles are 5y plus 2x. Question 2. We expand first the 4x times the 3x plus 7y. So it's 12x squared plus 28xy minus 5y squared. So if you do this, it will be 12x squared plus 30xy minus 2xy minus 5y squared. If you collect the first two as one group and the second two as one group, so it's 6x as a common factor, so it is 2x plus 5y. And in the second group, we have the common factor is minus y, so what's left is positive 2x plus 5y. The common bracket is 2x plus 5y multiplied by the singles, the 6x minus the y. Question 3, we need to expand first. It will be 2x squared plus 6x plus 13x plus 24. We combine the like terms together. 2x squared plus 19x plus 24. If you multiply the 2 by the 24, it will give me 48. The last sign is plus. I want two factors of 48. Their sum is 19. Yes, excellent. They are the 16 and the 3. So 2x squared plus 16x plus 3x plus 24. Then we collect the two groups together. So it's 2x multiplied by x plus 8 plus 3 multiplied by x plus 8. Then the common bracket is x plus 8 and the singles are 2x plus 3. Question 4. We need to expand first. How to expand 5b minus 2 all squared? The first one times itself is 25b squared. Leave a space. The second one times itself is plus 4. And then in the middle it's 2 times first times second. So 2 times 5b is 10b minus times negative 2 is negative 20b minus 4b minus 5. If you collect all these together, so it's 25b squared minus 24b minus 1. If you multiply the 21 by the 1, it's 25. Last sign is negative, so I want two numbers. Their difference is 24. So it is 25b squared minus 25b plus b minus 1. If you collect these two together and these two together, you will see that the common factor is 25b. So what's left is b minus 1. Plus here the common factor is 1. It's b minus 1. So this means that the common factor is b minus 1 and the singles are 25b plus 1. Let's now go to another type of questions, which is the word problem. Exercise number 3, the area of rectangle is 2x squared plus 17x plus 35. Find the two possible dimensions of the rectangle in terms of x, then find its numerical parameter as x equals 3. As long as the area is the length times the width, so we want to find the two brackets that are multiplied together to give us the 2x squared plus 17x plus 35. So if you multiply the 2 times the 35, it's 70. I want two factors of 70. Their sum is 17, so they're so easy. They're the 10 and the 7. So 2x squared plus 10x plus 7x plus 35. If you combine the first two together and the last two together, so the common factor here is 2x, and then it's x plus 5. After that, the common factor is 7, then it is x plus 5. So the two brackets are x plus 5 and 2x plus 7. So these are the dimensions of the length and the width of the rectangle. The question now wants us to find the parameter if we substitute x by 3. So the two sides of the rectangle are 3 plus 5 as x plus 5, so they are 8, and the other one, which is 2 times 3 plus 7, which is 13. So the parameter of the rectangle is 8 plus 13 plus 8 plus 13, so it's 26 plus 16, which is 42 centimeters, or whatever unit length that you have. Actually, it is centimeters because the area was in centimeters squared. Let's now go to the evaluation part. And dear students, as I always remind you, when you see the questions, pause the video, answer the questions yourself, and I'm sure that you're going to answer them right. And then after that, play the video again to verify your answer. Question number 1. If you multiply the 10 times the 12, it's 120. The last sign is minus, so we want two factors. Their difference is 7. What are factors of 120? Their difference is 7. Yes, excellent. They're the 15 and the 8. So it's 10x squared minus 15x plus 8x minus 12. If you combine the first two together and the last two together, the common factor here is 5x, so it's 2x minus 3, and here the common factor is 4, and then it's 2x minus 3. The common bracket, we write it once, and then we collect the singles, the 5x and the 4 together in one bracket. Question number 2, we have to arrange them first, so it's 15x power 4 minus the 6x squared z minus the 21z squared. After that, we can see here that there is 3 as a highest common factor, so it's 5x power 4 minus 2x squared z minus 7z squared. If you multiply the 5 by the 7, it is 35. So I want two factors. The difference is 2. They're the 7 and the 5. So here it's 3, 5x power 4 plus 5x squared z minus 7x squared z minus 7z squared. If you combine the first two together and the last two together, so I will write it up here. So the 3 as it is, the 5x squared is the common factor. So here we have x squared plus z, while in the other one a negative 7z is the common factor. So it's x squared plus z. Then here, so here is the 3, and then the common bracket x squared plus z, and then the singles together in one bracket 5x squared minus 7z. Question 3. If you multiply the 3 by the 6, it's 18. So I want two factors of 18, their sum is 19. For sure, that's very easy. It's the 18 and the 1. So 3m squared minus 18m minus 1m plus 6. If you combine these two as one group and these two as another group, so the common factor here is 3m, and then it's m minus 6 minus 1, and then it's m minus 6. The common bracket is m minus 6, and the singles are 3m minus 1. Question 4. There is no HCF, so we multiply the 3 by the 6, it's the 18. I want two factors of the 18, their difference is 7, so it's the 9 and the 2. So it's 3y squared plus 9y minus 2y minus 6. If you combine the first two as one group, the second two as another group, so the common factor here is 3y, so what's left is y plus 3, and in the other one, the common factor is negative 2, so what's left is y plus 3. The common bracket is y plus 3, and the singles in the other bracket as 3y minus 2. At this point, dear students, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much and wishing you best of luck.